welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 21st to the 25th of April 2025 on Monday. Lulu panics upon hearing about her next assignment. Spare wants Fikile to tell her the truth. Kumo's word chill his estranged wife to the bone on Tuesday. Lucy is alarmed by what she is feeling. Kamukhelo can't help feeling sorry for his hostile teammate. Nozipho makes a frantic phone call to work on Wednesday. Gia is worried about her brother's state of mind. Pele doesn't know how to process his shock. An intimate moment lead to an unexpected kiss on Thursday. Melokuhle is bursting to share her secret. Lulu decides to swallow her pride. Jack gets a late phone call and guess who is it from on Friday. Kumo has no problem piling pressure into his nephew. Lucy is over the moon about a loved one return. Shomla's mistakes end up costing him dearly. Well guys, that is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye and welcome back to